It's one of the most difficult parts of becoming a truck driver. Today, we're talking about backing up the truck and how to safely do it when you're out there running routes. Let's talk about it. This is James from ISC Safety and Logistics, going to talk to you briefly about how to back up a trailer, straight line backing. If you're new to trucking or just now getting your CDL, we're going to talk about some tips that can help you when you're doing your straight line backing. When backing up the trailer, remember, you're using the tractor to push it back straight. And what happens is that if you start to drift, either to your left passenger side or your driver's side, it's an easy way to correct that. What you're going to do is, if you start noticing in your mirror that you're drifting, and in this case towards your driver's side, you're going to turn your wheel slightly towards the side of trouble. So you would turn your wheel slightly towards the driver's side mirror, and once it starts to go back to get straightened up, you just turn the wheel back up to the 12 o'clock noon position. Same if it's on the passenger side. As you're backing up and you look in your mirror and you notice that it's starting to drift as you're trying to straight line back, again, turn your wheel to the sign of trouble. And once you turn your wheel to the passenger side, all these are just brief little turns that you're going to do with regards to the steering wheel, and you'll turn it right back to the center, all right, to 12 o'clock position. So when you look in your mirrors and you see it starting to drift, turn towards the side of trouble, and then watch it start to react. Make sure your tractor gets back in front of the trailer by turning it back to the 12 o'clock position. And also a good tip is, when you're backing, make sure that you back slow, back like walking speed. And in that way, as you catch those little drifts as it's starting to drift from side to side, if it does do that, you can easily catch it and make that correction by, again, turn to the side of trouble. Hope this helps. Have a great day, and we'll be posting more soon on how to back. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe to learn more information about the trucking industry. Until next time, talk to you soon.